Kenya and the Ministry of Education has finally come of age and come up with this competency-based curriculum. We as publishers, we are more than ready. As I've mentioned before, we've just come from implementing the competency-based curriculum in Rwanda, for example. 60% of the books used in Rwanda are from the Kenyan publishers. So in terms of ability and expertise to interpret a competency-based curriculum, I want to assure Kenyans that you are in very safe hands. And the best part about it is that we have the experience and the expertise and the skills to go along with it.
Turiaca fisi ya mafuku ni tukoretwo na thina uhoro wa igoti riria rikoragwo rikiritwo mafuku-ini nirio VAT ni rikoretwo rigituhe thina uhoro wa wendia wa mafuku na tukona aciari ni marahinyiririo muno tondu mafuku ni magite goro. Ni turahoya thirikari akugerera bunge njeru manyite uhoro uyu na kinyi na maiguire aciari tha igoti riri rituike ria kurutwo.